It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Edge browser tips. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the hidden flag setting that improves speed in Edge browser. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Edge browser. So with that being said, let's find out. The first thing you want to do is to open up your Edge browser. After you open up your Edge browser, then come to the address bar right here, and then make sure you type in edge colon slash flags and hit enter. And in a few seconds, it's going to take you right here. So here, what you need to do is to come to search flags right here. From the top right here, make sure you search for quick protocol, experiment protocol, right? Now, this particular experimental quick protocol here is available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android devices. What you need to do right here is a very simple thing. Simply come to default right here and make sure you hit on enable. Once you hit on enable, once you choose enable, next thing you need to do is to come down below right there and click on restart. And in a few seconds, your Edge is going to restart and take you back to your flag settings right here. Next thing you can do is to create a new tab and start browsing at a very high speed up. It's that simple. For more tutorial, best setting as far as Edge browser is concerned, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.